Hello guys, today we will bake cassava cake. Okay, so I will show you all my ingredients. Okay, this is all our ingredients. We have grated cassava, 3 cans of coconut milk, and also condensed milk. And this is a macapuno string. Okay, and this one either you can put or not, it's your choice, but I just want to put either half or the whole thing. We'll see later. Okay guys, and 1 cup of sugar. I only put 1 cup of sugar because this one is already sweet, the condensed milk, and this one is sweet too, so I don't want too much sweet. And later on we can check also whether we still need to put one more. Okay, so this, the cassava, grated cassava, we need 3 bags of cassava. This is frozen. I just deep froze it, you know, because here in abroad or in Canada we don't have, we have, but that not much. It's better the one you can buy frozen one than the press one. Okay, okay, these all my ingredients. Okay, guys, so we need a mixing bowl, and now we will, this is the 3 bags of grated coconut. Okay, I can measure it if you want, guys. I better, there's some thing. Okay, so that you have an idea how many cups, right? Okay, 1 cup, 2 cups, 3. Oh, there's lots of stuff. 4. 5. 'Okay guys, 6 cups of shredded coconut. Okay, there's lots of stuff. Okay, then, oh, there's lots of stuff in there. I'm just checking out if there is a, you know, the one it coming from the cassava. There. Okay. There's more. Just want to make sure that, you know, whoever will eat, you're gonna be choked. Okay, and then I will put the coconut milk. Okay. This is the second one. And the third one. Okay, that's very watery, the last one. Okay. Let's stir first. And 1 can of condensed milk. Okay guys, I will not put all. I'm gonna leave some that we're gonna put on top of the cassava later on. Okay, to put on the topping. Okay, and we'll put the sugar. Just stir it. This is the easy things to do when you do, if you want to eat cassava cake. This is very simple, guys. Just mix all the ingredients together and mix it. Okay, I didn't put all yet the sugar. This is the coconut string. See, this is optional, guys. I just want to make it special. Okay, something in there. There. I want to put all. Now it's ready to put in a baking pan, guys. Okay, then we'll check first if it's sweet. You know, guys, if you want, if you're a sweet person, you can put 2 cups of sugar. I don't want too sweet. Okay, maybe there's a 1/3 more left on my sugar because I put the coconut is already sweet and I put condensed milk, so I just cut off. But you can taste, guys. Just do like this, and yeah, it's okay for me. But it's supposed to be 1 cup. Okay, just less than my sugar. Okay, guys. Okay, now we will transfer to the baking pan. Okay? I just put oil. Either you can put butter also. It's your choice which one you're gonna use. Butter or cooking oil is good, or just so that your pan will not stick the cassava later on. It's easy to remove from your pan, right? Okay, now we can pour it, right? I will mother make it up. While I'm mixing all my ingredients, I already preheat the oven for 370. Okay guys, we will bake for 1 hour. Okay, now we will put in the oven.
One hour later.
Guys, it's done. Now we will put the condensed milk on the top. Okay, I'll take one of this. The other one. See? Now I will put the leftover condensed milk, put on the top. Not too much. If you don't like sweet, you don't need to add this one, because it's gonna be too sweet. But if you prepare a sweet dessert, yeah. See the three bags of shredded grated cassava. It is how many you can make. Okay, and put the rest here. Now it's done. We will put back in the oven for the broil. We just want the top one to cook, okay? Just leave it for 3 minutes. Okay. Ayan guys, luto na. Okay. Now I will bring it out. So guys, ayan na yung ating niluto. It's done. It look yummy, isn't it? Right? So, hi guys. I hope you like my video, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell down below para ma-notify kayo sa susunod kong video. See you again next time. Bye for now, and Happy New Year, everyone.